Do you know the only way to make significant amount of money with arbitrage trade is having a different bank account all over the world? In this process, I'm going to show you guys how to make money on Binance, and this is not a financial advice. Just take this as educational purpose. So let's get into this video. The currency I'm going to be using in this video is AUD, that's Australian dollar. You need to come to your P2P section, come to this P2P. You'll be seeing a lot of people, they are willing to sell their USDT for Australian dollar, and you find some people also here, they are willing to buy this from you. You'll be wondering why this how things work, because some people that are living in this country and they are Binance user, and Binance are not accepting deposit direct from their bank, so they will find a way to make sure they deposit money on Binance, so they will make a use of Binance P2P. That's when you'll be able to make money. So on this trade, you'll be selling because you have USDT in your account. Then make sure you have international bank account, or if still you're unable to secure like ID card to verify an app or international bank account you may wish to open, then you can use Wise. You have a various bank accounts with Wise account. So if you stay in Nigeria or other Africa country or Asia country, you can still use Wise. So in this video, I'm going to be using Revolut because I have Revolut account. So I'm going to press Revolut. Right now, these are people that are willing to buy from someone. They are willing to pay to their Revolut account if they want to sell their USD to Australian dollar. So right now, I'm going to go with this guy over here, sell. I'm going to press on rent. It's saying insufficient balance. I'm going to go back. I just want to find a kind of figure how much I'm going to be getting if I sell to this guy. So I'm going to go with this option. Buy. As at now, it just leave me to two options to choose only. And if I want to sell, these people are buying low, so I don't have option. I only have option to also put sell options over here. So I should be able to sell high. So you use this option over here to create an order on Binance. Then your order is going to show over here as sell, because if you create sell order, it's going to show someone else as buy. So I'm just going to put my own order to the same with this guy over here, 1.45 cents or 43 cents whereabouts. So that's how much I'm going to be putting my price over here, since these guys are willing to trade with someone who has Revolut or Wise. So you'll be able to make trade with anyone that's willing to buy USDT, maybe living in another country, or he has this currency he wants to deposit on Binance. He will be able to use this. So just let's take for instance, I've make sell order and my order shows here, and someone want to buy it from me. I'm going to press buy. Right now, this guy want to buy order worth of $100, so he's going to press $100. I'm going to sell my $100 to him at the rate of 1.54 cents. So I will be receiving 154 Australian dollar. This is how much I will be getting on this trade over here. So I'm going to go minimize. So to show you this calculator exchange on this Revolut account with 154, I will be getting 1 0.0538 worth of US dollar in my account, because I'm just going to swipe then deposit this back to my Binance account again. So I will be making $5.38 on this trade. How? Because I solve a problem. This is how to make money with this kind of arbitrage opportunity, because some people somewhere are unable to get money on exchange. So you have this opportunity to just think and find a way to solve this problem, then you'll be receiving this commission. So that's how technically to make money with this kind of arbitrage opportunity that exists on Binance. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. It's going to help me get the video to get to more people, so my channel will be able to grow. And subscribe to this channel and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. This is just a review. I'm going to make a transaction on this video, then to update you guys how it went, if I actually make money with this. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video. And guys, see you guys on the next video.